ardent music, patron, or and then also an upcoming artist in the area, Rishi. He's from Northeast, but he is based out of Bangalore. So tell a little bit about you, Rishi, and say hello to all your family in Northeast, in Bangalore, everywhere.
Yeah, thank you, Preeta, so much for having me today. Good morning, good evening, or good night to whoever's listening from everywhere around the world. I'm Rishi. I'll be co-hosting this show today with Preeta, and thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Hopefully everyone's listening. My family is probably also listening today. So a huge shout out to my mom, my dad, my sister.
Oh, awesome. To all, family of Rishi, wherever you are from, and all the extended families. Thank you for joining us this morning here in a beautiful, Mid-Hudson Valley. We are having wonderful weather. It's the most pleasant day to be out and going about your work. So if you're on a walk, you're doing your gardening, please tune in and listen to us. Rishi, why don't you just give us a glimpse of your voice? And you also brought your guitar in today, which is very, very cool. So, let's start with something quick and small.
Yeah, sure.
Tell us what you'll be playing.
So yesterday marks the 46th death anniversary of Mohammed Rafi ji. So in order to honor him, these are a few songs that I've picked up from his composition, his lyrics. So I'll be singing a mashup of a few of those songs.
Let's do like one or two, and then we'll see when time permitting. Sure. We'll join back again in the next segment.
Sure. That sounds awesome. Yeah.
चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील से नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया ये अपना दिल आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा है अपना दिल आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा.
Thank you, Rishi. That was awesome. Last time I had a live performance was my cousin who plays for Ilayaraja, as I showed you, right?
Yeah.
He was like amazing. I didn't want to do anything, just listen to him. So it was wonderful to have live, performance. So yeah.
Sure. So the next song I'll be singing is again by Mohammed Rafi ji, honoring his 46th death anniversary. The song is Aajkal Tere Mere Pyar Ke.
Oh, let's do it.
Yeah. So for the listeners, if you're listening, feel free to sing along and join us.
Yes. Yep.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है या सबको खबर हो गई आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है या सबको खबर हो गई चला जाता हूँ किसी के धुन पे धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए चला जाता हूँ किसी के धुन पे धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए.
I feel like I'm in college setting now. That I'm reminded of that Papa Kehte Hai song with Amir Khan. So
My father, who's my and a lot of other. I mean, like for the listeners, as well, if, you could remember your father in this moment. This song is for them.
Yeah. So Dr. Saab, please enjoy it.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा है कहा पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा
Awesome. Na 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 ra 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 ra. Oh my God, this is going to we can't do this live, so we have to make up time. Okay, folks. So thank you so much. Segment, but we were talking about Tare Zameen, and you had. You thought that you wanted to share another song because you talked about your dad, Mr. Dr. Saab, and now you want to talk about Mrs. Dr. Saab, your mom. You don't want to leave her, I know you talk about your mom so much.
Yeah.
I know you miss her a lot. So why don't you share something from Tare Zameen Par and dedicate this to your mom?
Sure. And again, for our listeners, it's a song, that's going to remind you of your mother. So, if you guys are able to sing along or feel the same emotions, that would be wonderful. So, here it goes.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ
Oh, awesome. Perfect. Thank you so much. We are our next segment host as well. She is also listening. So thank you so much for the kind words.
I enjoy the live music. Is wonderful. I could listen to it all day.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you so much.
And she was kind enough to say, if you want to go, I know you have a lot of requests today. If you want to go, she's enjoying the music. She said, if you want to continue playing, we would love to, but we want to be kind. We want to thank her for her kind gestures. But we will probably wrap up with this song. I won't be playing the whole song, but this is Mohammad Rafi Saab's song. Please enjoy. And Rishi, it was wonderful having you as a co-host. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did presenting this with you, and I hope our listeners also enjoyed it. I'm continuing to get feedback through WhatsApp and other channels. So thank you again. If you want to share a couple of words before we part.
Sure. Thank you so much for having me again. This is a wonderful opportunity, and I'm sure people who listen to these songs, we've somehow touched their hearts as well through this radio channel. So yeah, it's been a wonderful experience, and thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you. Thank you for being here, and thank you everyone. And here it is, and then we sign off after this. Thank you for having, and you all have a beautiful bright summer day, holiday and weekend, and get yourselves chai, or it's lunchtime, do the lunch, whatever it is, but keep music in your heart and mind, and keep us in your thoughts and prayers. And thank you for joining us this beautiful Saturday morning from WVKR 91.3 FM radio. This is Rishi and Preeta signing off.